Volvo has finally introduced the world to its first electric minivan, the EM90, which looks more like a mobile home than a car. All jokes aside, this is a truly huge minivan, measuring 5.2 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 1.85 meters high, with more space than any full-size luxury SUV. From the front, it has a family Volvo look with the signature Thor hammer headlights, although unfortunately they don't open and close like the EX90 and EX30. Instead, the main lights are separated and located here. The front grille also features LED lights and an illuminated Volvo logo, giving it a more digital and futuristic look. However, many have criticized the new Volvo's exterior design for being too cluttered and less structured than the original Zeekr 009, which served as the basis for the EM90. Don't you agree? Shifting to the interior, the Zeekr 009 was luxurious but had a conspicuously designed interior. In contrast, the Volvo EM90 presents a cleaner, more restrained, and less extravagant interior. Ambient lighting now comes from under the wood panel in a controlled manner. The interior is dominated by one shade of gray, giving it a cleaner look. Designed to be as much a luxurious family hauler as it is a mobile office on wheels, the EM90 offers 3 rows of seating in a 2+2+2 layout. The magic truly happens in the middle row with its ultra-comfy captain-style seats, which not only boast electric recline, heating, and ventilation, but also come equipped with folding trays. For entertainment or business video meetings, a 15.6-inch screen descends from the roof, supporting both mobile screen projection and various third-party apps. One of the significant differences from the Zeekr 009 is the engine. The Volvo EM90 has one engine at the rear instead of 2. This results in a slower acceleration to 100 km per hour than the Zeekr, 8.3 seconds versus 5 seconds. However, the single-engine layout gives the EM90 a big advantage in terms of range, delivering an impressive 740 kilometers. The Volvo is also equipped with a 116 kWh battery manufactured by Cattle, which can be charged to 80% in less than 30 minutes, and just like the flagship EX90, the EM90 is equipped with bi-directional charging, which allows its battery to be used as a power bank to charge other electric vehicles and household appliances. Pricing for Volvo's first minivan will start at a hefty 818,000 yuan, equivalent to about $114,000 at current exchange rates, which is much more expensive than Zeekr, which starts at 73 grand. In conclusion, the first Volvo minivan turned out to be a really interesting product, albeit a very niche one. And again, why is Volvo putting so much effort into an MPV? Well, because MPVs are viewed very differently in East Asia, including China, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. There, MPVs have been portrayed for decades as the ultimate vehicle for company executives, film stars, and even gangster leaders.